So you might be wondering if you can go through and install an APK file on your iPhone. Now, APK files are those Android files that, basically allow you to install, files types on your, Android phones. Now, APK files are very popular. They're one of the most popular file types, I guess, for mobile installation of devices and applications. So you might be wondering, can you go through and install an APK file on your iPhone? Now, the short answer of this is not really. There's not really a way to install a dedicated APK file on your Android device. Now, APK files are only meant for Android phones, so you won't be able to actually fully install an APK file inside of your iPhone like that. Now, you can basically maybe find some massive workarounds, like maybe you can go through and find a APK file that, like a emulator of some sort. Like if you're able to emulate some sort of Android device on your iPhone, then maybe you can do it that way. But there's no way to natively get an APK file that's supposed to be meant for an Android device onto your iPhone like that. So you can download it, you just won't be able to install any of those. So that's kind of the main way to kind of think about it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.